Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, April the 23rd at Dollar General. And in this video, I have a total of 6 awesome scenarios for y'all. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way, a quick way, and an easy way that y'all can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time because they are simply just that. They are a glitch in the system. So it is very important when you go into the store to scan each item in your app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also, right now especially, it is very, very important to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. And as you all have seen this week, the prices are changing daily. So scan, scan, scan. Now, before we get into the scenarios this week, I wanted to go ahead and give you all a heads up on a few old and new glitches and deals, okay? So, first up, we have this 3 off 2 digital coupon for the Garnier products. Now, this is an older coupon. We've had this for the last 2 or 3 weeks now, and I wasn't sure if I had included it in any of the good deals and glitch list videos, so I wanted to go ahead and make sure and give you all a heads up on this deal. And big shout out and thank you to Debra Williams-Buss. She posted this deal on her YouTube channel yesterday, giving us all an awesome reminder about this really cheap and awesome filler item for this Saturday. So if you guys are not already subscribed to her, make sure that you go over there and hit that subscribe button. I always have her channel linked in the description box down below, and I'll also put it in the pinned comment for y'all today as well. So for this deal, what you want to do is pick up 2 of the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine shampoos travel sizes. These are priced at $1.30 right now. You may also find these in your clearance section, okay? Pick up 2 of those. Use this DG store coupon, and because it's a DG store coupon, it's not going to take off the full $3, but it will leave you paying just 2 pennies for 2. So that is a great filler item for all of our Saturday scenarios. Alright, moving on into our next deal, we did receive a new 3 off 3 DG store coupon for Dove products. Now, this coupon works on the Dove Intensive Cream Moisturizer, 5.07 ounces. These are the little round tubs of lotions. These are priced at $1.80. So if you want to pick up 3 of those, use this 3 off 3 digital coupon. That's going to leave you paying $2.40 for all 3. Now, this new 3 off 3 digital coupon for the Dove products is also working on the Dove travel size deodorants. So these are priced at $1.55 each. Pick up a total of 3, use that digital coupon. You're going to pay $1.65 for all 3. Now, this next glitch is with the old 3 off 3 DG store coupon on the Dove products. So we received this one last Sunday. This coupon also works on the Dove lotion found in the dollar aisle for $1. So again, it's like the little round tubs of lotion, and it kind of has a pink packaging on it. So be on the lookout for those and make sure that y'all scan, scan, scan. So this is working just like the Dove bar soap. Pick up a total of 3, use that DG store coupon, and you're going to pay 3 cents for all 3. Alright guys, so that is it for the updates that I have for y'all so far, but as always, make sure that your notifications are turned on. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals or updates. Also, check the community tab every once in a while because I'm always posting random deals over there as well. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into these 5 off $25 scenarios. First up, I have a Gain deal for y'all this week. So with all Gain deals, keep in mind that you want to make sure that you scan each and every Gain scented product because you want to make sure that the 5 off 30 Gain and the 5 off 25 and any Gain manufactured digital coupons that you're going to use show up underneath each and every product. And this is so important because some Gain products and some Gain scented products do not work with that 5 off 30 Gain coupon. And a lot of people don't realize that. They just go in and start grabbing Gain products, and some of those products and some of those scents will not work with the coupon. So here's just a quick example of what you want to look for whenever you are scanning your Gain products in stores. So you've got your 5 off 30 Gain coupon, your 5 off 25, and the 3 off 1 manufactured digital coupon for the Gain 51 count Flings. Alright guys, so for this Gain scenario, you want to pick up one Gain laundry product that is priced at $15.95. You can choose from the liquid laundry detergent, the Flings, or the Fireworks. Then you want to pick up a Gain laundry product that is priced at $7.50. Again, you can choose from the liquid, the Flings, the Firework, fabric softener, or the sheets. Then you want to pick up two Gain scented Febreze small spaces, priced at $6. They are $3 each. Then you want to go over to the dollar aisle and pick up one Gain dish soap for $1. That is going to bring your subtotal to $30.45. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 30 Gain coupon, your 5 off 25 for Saturday, the 3 off 1 Gain digital coupon, the 2 off 1 Gain digital coupon, and the 3 off 2 Febreze small spaces. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $12.45 for all 5 items, making each one just $2.49 each. Alright guys, so in this next scenario, we are going to be taking advantage of the instant savings deal for when you spend $20 on Scott, Viva, Cottonelle, and Kleenex products. You're going to instantly save $4 at the register. So for this one, you want to pick up 2 of the Scott 12-count bath tissues priced at $5 each, 1 pack of the Viva paper towels priced at $6.50, and 1 of the Kleenex multi-packs priced at $4.50. Then you want to pick up 3 Dove bar soaps priced at $1 each, 3 of the American greeting cards at $1.50, those are 50 cents each, 1 of the Vicks VapoCool cough drops priced at $1, and 1 of the Oral-B Indicator 2-count toothbrushes priced at $3. And that is going to bring your subtotal to $29.50. That $4 in instant savings will come off first at the register, and that will bring your new subtotal down to $25.50. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Scott, the 1 off 1 Viva, the 1 off 1 Kleenex, the 3 off 3 Dove, the 1 off 3 American greeting cards, the 1 off 1 Vicks, and the 2 off 1 Oral-B toothbrushes. Your subtotal after coupons will be $10.53 for all 12 items, making each one just 87 cents each. Alright, for this next deal, we have a food scenario. So for this one, you want to pick up 1 of the Pearl Milling pancake mixes at $2.65, 1 of the Reese's Colliders for $2.50, 1 Pepsi Nitro for $2, 2 of the Michelinas frozen dinners at $2. Those are $1 each, and I probably said it wrong, so don't come for me in the comments. Then you want to pick up 1 of the Funables 10-count fruit snacks at $2, 1 Smucker's strawberry squeeze bottle at $2.95, 1 of the Jif peanut butters priced at $2.50, 1 Cafe Bustelo coffee priced at $3.25, 3 of the Dove bar soaps priced at $3, 3 American greeting cards at $1.50, those are 50 cents each, and 1 of the Vicks VapoCool cough drops for $1. And that is going to bring your subtotal to $25.35. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Pearl Milling products, the 75-cent off 1 Reese's Colliders, the 1 off 1 Pepsi Nitro, the buy 1 get 1 free Michelinas frozen dinners, the 1 off 1 Funables fruit snacks, the 75-cent off 1 Smucker's, the 75-cent off 1 Jif, the 1 off 1 Cafe Bustelo coffee, the 3 off 3 Dove, the 1 off 3 American greeting cards, and the 1 off 1 Vicks VapoCool. That is going to bring your subtotal after coupons to $8.13 for all 16 items, making each one just 50 cents each. Alright, next up, we kind of have a little mix and match deal here. So for this one, you want to pick up 1 of the Castrol motor oils for $5.65, 2 of the Garnier Fructis travel size shampoos at $2.60, 1 of the Tide laundry products priced at $5.50. You can choose from the liquid or the pods, 1 of the Dawn Easy Squeeze for $2.85. 1 of the Scott 6-count bath tissue priced at $2.75, 3 of the little Dove lotions found in the dollar aisle for $1 each, and 3 of the Colgate toothpaste priced at $2 each. That is going to bring your subtotal to $28.35. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 25, the 3 off 1 Shea Moisture, the 3 off 2 Garnier products, the 2 off 1 Tide, the 1 off 1 Dawn Easy Squeeze, the 1 off 1 Scott bath tissue, the 3 off 3 Dove, and the 5 off 3 Colgate. Your subtotal after coupons will be $5.80 for all 12 items, making each one just 48 cents each. Alright, so for this next scenario, I'm calling this my soap stock up deal. So for this one, you want to pick up 3 bars of the Dove soaps priced at $1 each, 3 of the Dove travel size deodorants priced at $1.55 each, 3 of the Colgate toothpaste priced at $2 each, 5 of the Suave bar soap 2 counts priced at $1 each. Then you want to pick up 2 of the Garnier Fructis shampoos or conditioners, and you can also pick up the leave-in conditioners. Those are priced at $3 each. Then you want to pick up one of the Crest with Scope toothpaste for $1 found in the dollar aisle, and also a Vicks VapoCool cough drops for $1 also found in the dollar aisle. Your subtotal will be $26.65. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 3 off 3 Dove, the new 3 off 3 Dove, the 5 off 3 Colgate, the 50-cent off 2 Suave bar soaps, the 1 off 3 Suave bar soaps, the 3 off 2 Garnier products, the 1 off 1 Crest toothpaste, and the 1 off 1 Vicks VapoCool cough drops. That's going to bring your subtotal to $3.18 for all 18 items, making each one just 17 cents each. Alright, and last but not least, we have our low out-of-pocket deal. So for this one, you want to pick up 3 American greeting cards at $1.50, 3 Dove bar soaps at $3, 3 Dove travel size deodorants at $4.65, 3 of the Colgate toothpaste at $6, 1 of the Oral-B Indicator 2 count toothbrushes at $3, 2 of the Garnier Fructis travel size shampoos at $2.60. 1 of the Scott 6 count bath tissue priced at $2.75, 1 of the Vicks VapoCool cough drops priced at $1, and 1 of the Funables 10 count fruit snacks for $2. That's going to bring your subtotal to $26.50. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 3 American greeting cards, the 3 off 3 Dove, the new 3 off 3 Dove, the 5 off 3 Colgate toothpaste, the 2 off 1 Oral-B toothbrush, the 3 off 2 Garnier products, the 1 off 1 Scott, the 1 off 1 Vicks, and the 1 off 1 Funables fruit snacks. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $1.95 for all 18 items, making each one just 10 cents each. Alright guys, so that is it for our 5 off $25 scenarios for April the 23rd at Dollar General. But just in case y'all missed it this week, I did upload 3 other awesome videos going over a ton of deals going on at Dollar General this week. First up, I had the $5 challenge. Then, of course, I uploaded the good deals and glitch list video going over all the best coupon matchups and all of the awesome sales that we have going on at DG this week with rebates. So go and check out that video if you haven't already. And then the very last video that I uploaded, I showed y'all how to get some super cheap Mountain Dew products. So if you missed any of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out. I will have them linked in the pinned comment down below. And before y'all go, I have to say thank you to a couple of awesome, crazy couponers. So first up, I want to say thank you to Teresa B. Down in the comments section, you know who you are. Thank you so much for all of your support. You watch every single video. You're always in the comment section, and I just love you, girl. But thank you so much for sharing the information on the Dove Lotion deal that I told everyone about at the beginning of the video, because that is going to be an amazing substitution just in case anyone out there doesn't have the Dove bar soaps. So thank you so much for sharing that deal with us. And of course, big shout out and thank you to my awesome friend, Debra Williams-Buss, aka DWB. Guys, this lady helps me out every single week. She is always sharing deals that she finds with me, and then in turn, I can share them with you guys, and she doesn't ask for anything in return. So thank you so much, lady. You know I love you. So I want all of you guys to head on over to her YouTube channel. I'm going to have it linked in the pinned comment down below. Now, right now, she's kind of dealing with some personal things, so she's not getting to post as many videos as she would like to, but she is always posting deals in her community tab. So head on over there, hit that subscribe button, make sure that you turn on your notifications, and show her some love in the comments. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful for you. Now before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure that you turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And y'all don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, because I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do. Typically, my 5 off $25 videos get about 4,000 views, okay? So if half of the people who watch this video give this video a thumbs up, and the thumbs up button says that I have over 2,000 likes, so just half of y'all got to hit that thumbs up button. If you hit the thumbs up button and it gets over 2,000 likes, I will do a giveaway next weekend. We'll give away some gift cards. I know everybody needs a little extra cash in their pocket, so go ahead and hit that thumbs up button if you want to do a giveaway next weekend. And then, of course, leave me a comment down below, and please share the video, even if it's to yourself. Hit that share button and send the link to yourself in a text message or an email, because it really does help me out. Alright guys, that is it for me for now. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see y'all on the next one.